You can see the end product. Added more water into it, warm water. You can use an ionized water, and this is what I got after adding more water. You can see now it's to the top of the bucket, and I got extra which is to the left of the bucket, which I added a green color. So you can add any color of your choice. And this, you can see the consistency, how thick it is. This shower gel is made from the scratch, and it's amazing. It's very, 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 very effective. So we guarantee 5D skin lightening. So you can also buy from me. We sell in wholesales. You can buy and mix and sell. You can see I'm putting it in the bottle. This is the color. I use the sunset yellow color for this, and that is the green color. So you can add any color of your choice. And this shower gel guarantee skin lightening. All you need to do when you get into the shower, just allow the water, warm water, to soak into your body for a few minutes or seconds. Then you soak your sponge or exfoliating sponge with water, damp it with water. Then you apply just little quantity of the shower gel. It's very foamy. People that have used it, they can testify. It's very, very, very foaming and very effective. So you will use it to wash your body and leave it on for some time before you rinse it off, so that the product ingredient in it can work on your skin. It helps to get rid of accumulated dry dead skin. It helps to brighten up the skin, glow the skin, give the skin this luminous flawless glow. It also helps to brighten sun damage, target what's it called, sun age spot. It helps to even out the skin, help to brighten hyperpigmentation, that is lightening hyperpigmentation, dark spot. It helps with to target oily skin by getting rid of excess oil and dirt. It helps a lot if you've got acne on your skin, on your body. This helps a lot. It contains great benefits, beneficial ingredients that will help your skin to glow. It helps a lot to waking up dull, dry skin. That is help the skin to retain its moisture. Not only will it moisturize your skin, it will also help brighten it up, get rid of dirt. The ingredient, one of the function of the ingredient inside, like if you haven't watched my other video, you need to go watch it. The Snow White, we know that the Snow White, what it does is helps to brightening the skin. It gives the skin that flawless luminous glow. It helps to brighten up hyperpigmentation, dark spot, uneven skin tone. It helps with face spot. The Kojic Dip. Kojic Dip is much stable and very effective in skin lightening. It helps to target sun damaged skin. It helps to brighten up age spots, hyperpigmentation, dark spots. So these products are very effective. It moisturize the skin. And also the product in the AHA, as we know, AHA is a great exfoliant, and it also helps to brighten up the skin. Other oils, nourishing oil, strawberry oil, blueberry oil. These are amazing oil that helps to moisturize the skin. And we also have the whitening oil. The whitening oil helps to give that skin that whitening efficacy that is brightening up the skin. Then we have the vegetable glycerin, which helps to moisturize the skin and lock in moisture. We also have the whitening glycerin to help enhance skin lightening. So these are fantastic products. These are fantastic ingredients that are very, very, very good. Above all, I've got other products which I'm not going to mention in this video. So yeah.